Hey Scott and Sabrina, this is a design for your back deck, a pergola, your spa, and some seating area, maybe a TV and some speakers. I went in underneath the spa is a really beefy structure to hold the spa. Normally I would use 5/4 deck boards, but since we have the spa in there, I went ahead and used 2x6 treated boards for the decking just to add some extra stability. The pergola is it's got 6x6 posts, no curves like you wanted. It's got 8-inch rafters, 2x4s laying outside, and then I covered it with a 8 millimeter polygal UV coated roof. It's on a slant, no back post like you wanted. It's connected to the ledger board. I put in some furniture, some teak furniture that I think looks really nice, but kind of gives you an idea of what you can fit in with a couch, some lounge chairs, and that's about it. So if you have any questions, please give me a call. Otherwise, I will let you look at this and talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.